So, for slower transportation and bulk material, with more materials and stuff, so 100 pounds but 10 times slower compared to 10 pounds but 10 times faster delivers the same amount of material. But the slower speed is oftentimes more environmentally friendly. However, there's a problem with that. Sometimes it's like a medical emergency or something like that. They need fast transport of material. So one thing that we can invest more is high-speed rail versus plane. So high-speed rail can go over 125 miles per hour. Planes usually travel around 250 miles per hour. So still, at the low limits, high-speed rail is like twice as slow. But it's a lot faster than a truck that's going to travel faster than 70 miles and has traffic and stuff like that, oftentimes slower. So you can fit that intermediate gap. And railways are a lot more efficient than planes. Another thing is that planes, there's a lot of things about stopping and starting and stuff like that can slow them down, and unloading, loading. There is a problem with railroads, but not as much. The way we can make railroads even better is having technology to unload sort of moving things. So if you had a rail train, the compartments can actually separate off and go into a different track that's slower, then you could slow it down and it can go to more local ones. Or some kind of module train system that can split and take apart. Another one is that you have robots that load it as it's moving. Stuff like that could be developed in the future to make it even more of a continuous process. And also railroads, you can make more of a direct process where you don't have to worry about elevation, stuff like that, with planes and other technology, making them even faster. And you also have to worry less about weather conditions. They could also be used to connect various places more, and we can figure out how to make bridges so they can go over water and stuff, and make those bridges more. Those bridges could actually last longer than bridges for trucks and stuff, because unlike bridges for trucks and stuff, it's more of a regular vibration, which means less wear and tear from vibrations. Or you can make it so it can also tag trucks and stuff like that. Well, just some quick thoughts there. Thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps 10 out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers in a year, 4,000 watch hours, which is really hard. Really help I think into it. Again, thank you very much. Goodbye.